Kung ang tumambak, Seiko o kaya Amazaldi, ang luma, hindi sasama loob. O kaya El Nino.
Okay na yan. Magpe-preston daw ang stars.
Meron na kayong 31 black screening ng mga fans nyo. Dami yung fans, ha? Congratulations.
At saka pwede ba linawin niyo yung video ng kissing na nakunan daw sa set ba? Offset. Meron eh. Fan nyo yata yung nag-post and then they were kissing each other na hindi siya eksena sa movie. It came out on social media.
Is it true?
I don't know.
Is that the
I
question?
saw just the picture that they were kissing her, but it wasn't moving. So,
Okay. Siguro totoo.
Dami na niya.
Wala naman yung dinitinay. In fairness to him. Sabi niya, inamin mo na daw. Sabi ko, in fairness to you, wala ka naman dinitinay ever.
At least, diba? Pero yung 31 black screening nyo, totoo yun.
I think that's 31 block screenings sa
Mga fans.
isang fandom.
Isang
Pero marami pa.
Isang group lang
Isang
yan,
fandom
Ate
na
Cars.
31 block screenings.
So meron.
Isang group, 31 black screenings ang ginawa. Yung iba, wala pa. So, bongga.
Nakakatabulis, tataubi nyo na. Sige na. Congratulations pa rin. Thank you.